Max, I want to play with the car.
No, I'm playing with the car now.
Dad. Max annoys me again.
What has happened? Lisa wants to play with my stuff.
Yes, it's my turn now.
No, that's my toy.
Max, I'm serious.
Dad, Lisa annoys me. Kids, please stop fighting. I'm not doing anything wrong.
Yes, you won't let me play with the car.
That's my car too.
I'll let you play with my toy too, Max.
Leave me alone, Lisa.
Dad, Max is selfish.
Kids, please share the toy. We don't have that many things. You must share the car.
Can I have my own car, Dad?
I want new stuff too. I'll ask your mom. Do you like our stories? Then get our free ebook. You can find the link in the video description. Hi, honey. How are you doing?
I'm fine, and you, darling?
Sorry for the interruption. I need to ask you a question.
Of course. Feel free to ask.
The kids want new toys. Can we afford that?
Money is a bit tight this month.
But the kids are already arguing. They need more toys.
We can buy new stuff next month.
The kids won't like that.
They're going to survive. We didn't have much as kids either. But we were happy.
What did you do as kids?
We played outside. We've hardly ever been home.
I've got an idea.
Very good.
I'm going to surprise the kids. Thanks for the help, darling.
I'd love to, darling.
Hello, kids.
Can we get new things, Dad?
I want new cars. I've got a better idea. Please come with me. Okay, I'll be there.
Me too.
What are we doing here, Dad?
I thought we were buying new toys.
We can't afford that right now. I'm sorry, kids. But we're in the woods. Everything is full of toys here. There are branches, trees, stones. We can start a bonfire. It's much better than toys. Thanks, Dad.
I love it.
What do the kids want? A. Eat an ice cream. B. More toys. C. Into the swimming pool.